Welcome to our channel. If you're unable to work due to a disability, Social Security disability insurance can provide financial support. Follow these step-by-step instructions to strengthen your application and improve your chances of approval. Step 1. Verify your eligibility by checking that you have worked long enough and recently enough to qualify. Generally, you need 40 work credits, with 20 earned in the last 10 years. Step 2. Gather comprehensive medical documentation, including all diagnoses, treatment records, test results, hospitalizations, and doctor's notes that demonstrate the severity of your condition. Step 3. Obtain detailed statements from your physicians explaining your functional limitations, how your condition prevents you from working, and the expected duration of your disability. Step 4. Document how your disability affects your daily activities and ability to perform work-related tasks, such as standing, walking, lifting, concentrating, and interacting with others. Step 5. Complete your application online at ssa.gov, by phone at 1-800-772-1213, or in person at your local Social Security office. Be thorough and accurate with all information. Step 6. Submit your complete work history for the past 15 years, including job titles, duties, physical requirements, and dates of employment for each position. Step 7. Follow up regularly with Social Security about your application status and promptly provide any additional information or documentation they request. Step 8. If denied, don't give up. File a reconsideration appeal within 60 days. Many claims are approved at the appeal stage, especially with additional medical evidence or representation from a disability attorney. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.